if you're just getting started with crafting. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is buying too many tools they don't actually need. The good news is that you can complete hundreds of DIY projects with just a few versatile supplies. In today's video, I'm sharing the top 5 craft supplies for beginners that offer the best value, versatility, and ease of use. Whether you're interested in paper crafts, scrapbooking, model making, school projects, home decor, or DIY gifts, these tools can help you get started without wasting money. Let's jump right in. At number 5, we have the 50 Sheets Colored Cardstock Paper Pack. Every crafter needs a good supply of cardstock. Unlike regular printer paper, cardstock is thicker, more durable, and holds its shape better for creative projects. This pack includes 50 assorted colors, giving you plenty of options for card making, decorations, school projects, paper flowers, party decorations, and scrapbooking. What makes cardstock great for beginners is its versatility. You can cut it, fold it, glue it, print on it, and combine it with almost every other craft material. Instead of buying multiple packs of colored paper, having a variety pack like this gives you instant access to many colors for different projects. If you're starting from scratch, cardstock is one of the most useful supplies you can have on your craft table. If you'd like to check out any of these products, you'll find links in the description below. Using those links helps support the channel at no extra cost to you and allows me to continue creating helpful reviews and crafting content. Also, before you go, make sure to watch my previous video, Grayby 50 Watercolor Paint Set Review. Is it worth it? If you're interested in painting supplies and want to know whether that popular watercolor set is worth buying, definitely check it out after this video. Coming in at number 4 is the anezus Self-Healing Cutting Mat. This might not look exciting at first, but it's one of those tools you'll appreciate every single time you craft. A cutting mat protects your desk or table from knife cuts, glue, paint, and other damage. The self-healing surface helps reduce visible cut marks, which means the mat lasts much longer than ordinary cutting boards. Another benefit is the printed measurement grid. It helps you make more accurate cuts and keep projects aligned properly. Whether you're working with cardstock, fabric, vinyl, paper, or lightweight materials, a cutting mat creates a safer and cleaner workspace. Many beginners skip this tool and end up damaging their desks. Trust me, investing in a quality cutting mat early can save you a lot of frustration later. At number 3, we have the SHJADE Mini Hot Glue Gun Kit. A hot glue gun is one of the fastest ways to assemble craft projects. This kit includes glue sticks and features fast preheating, which means you can start working quickly without waiting too long. Hot glue works on a wide range of materials including paper, cardboard, wood, foam, fabric, and decorative elements. One of the reasons beginners love hot glue guns is how forgiving they are. If you need to attach something quickly, hot glue often gets the job done in seconds. It's useful for DIY decorations, school projects, holiday crafts, gift making, and even quick repairs around the house. The compact size also makes it easier to handle compared to larger glue guns, giving beginners better control during detailed work. Just remember to work carefully since the glue and nozzle become very hot during use. Moving on to number 2, we have the Shuttle Art Acrylic Paint Set. If you want to add color and creativity to your projects, acrylic paint is one of the best mediums to start with. This set includes 36 colors along with brushes and a palette, making it a complete starter package. Acrylic paint is beginner-friendly because it dries relatively fast and works on many surfaces. You can paint on canvas, wood, rocks, ceramic, paper, cardboard, and more. The wide color selection gives you plenty of room to experiment and learn color mixing techniques without immediately needing additional paint sets. Another advantage is versatility. Whether you're creating custom signs, decorating crafts, painting mini projects, or making gifts, acrylic paints can handle almost anything. For many crafters, acrylic paint becomes a core supply that they continue using for years. And finally, at number 1, we have the DIYSELF Exacto Knife Set. This is easily one of the most valuable tools for beginner crafters. Scissors are great, but when it comes to precision work, an Exacto knife offers a level of control that scissors simply can't match. This set includes multiple blades and a storage case, giving you flexibility for different projects. An Exacto knife is perfect for detailed cutting, scrapbooking, model making, stencil work, paper crafts, vinyl projects, clay work, and many other creative tasks. Clean, precise cuts can make a huge difference in the final appearance of your project. When paired with a self-healing cutting mat, this tool becomes even more effective and safer to use. If you're serious about crafting, chances are you'll use this tool on nearly every project. So, to recap, here are the top 5 craft supplies for beginners. Number 5. Colored cardstock paper. Number 4. The anezus self-healing cutting mat. Number 3. The SHJADE Mini Hot Glue Gun Kit. Number 2. The Shuttle Art Acrylic Paint Set. And number 1. The DIYSELF Exacto Knife Set. Together, these 5 supplies create a solid foundation for countless DIY and craft projects. They help you cut, paint, assemble, and create with confidence, even if you're completely new to crafting. If you'd like to check out any of these products, you'll find links in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future craft supply reviews, beginner guides, and DIY recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.